They're made of pure magnesium.
They weren't colored though.
It didn't matter. They
were cool.
They were like bright white.
They were pure
Carter,
magnesium.
lift yours up. Lift
Careful.
yours up like this and scroll it
Watch
around
out.
your head. Like this, scroll.
They made a lot more noise
See?
too.
I hate safety sometimes.
The reason why they're not metal anymore is because of the cost. Metal's more expensive than that cheap stick. That's pressed together with a little glue.
Look at Austin, he's just mesmerized.
It's cool.
Where's it go?
Where's it go? That's not where it goes. That's not what you do with it. Where does it go? No.
It goes in the can over here.
You put it in the can.
This is left.
Oh, it's in
Let's do some
Let's do some
Where's Daddy?
cracklies.
crackers.
No. Go put it in the can over by
Wait,
Daddy.
what? Where white does that go? What?
Carter,
Yeah.
he's looking at the apples. He's like, what do these do? They make you poop.